2005 Airstream Land Yacht for sale in Edson, Alberta Canada T7E1V4. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2005 Airstream. This Class B RV is 30 feet in length and features a cozy floor plan that offers one slide-out and sleeping accommodations for 4 guests. Powered by a 8.18 Vortec Gasoline engine that is paired with automatic transmission, this luxury RV is ready to take you anywhere your heart desires. This 2005 Airstream is ready to become your next home away from home. If you are someone who appreciates quality residential living right on the campsite, then you owe it to yourself to check out this RV. It is laced with world-class amenities and luxury appointments throughout. Highlights of its advantages include queen-size BedNight, StandHigh quality inside and out, great ConditionDual RoofA seat, UnitsFantastic fan, 6-way power leather driver seat, 8-way power ReclinerLeather passenger seat, 2 entertainment systems, rear view CameraStove / MicrowaveAutomatic power electric hydraulic system, table / 4 chairs, 2 folding Onan 5.5 kW gold generator, plus so much more. This 2005 Airstream Land Yacht has been very well maintained, which has enabled its exceptionally clean condition. Perfect for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. This RV is priced very competitively, so don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. Call today for more information on how you can experience the ideal combination of comfort and convenience with this luxurious 2005 Airstream Land Yacht.